Alright, y'all. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I'm not gonna lie, the last episode with the cutscene where Clank lost his arm, my heart actually hurt. That was a little bit of a pain. Had a little PTSD from the first Ratchet and Clank. But here we are in the future.
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Interesting. And now I want to search for a Clank. Kind of also interesting how that Lombax knew to just have him as a backpack. Hey, we still got the wall kick though. Nice. Last episode I was really fighting with my controls. Adjusting from PlayStation 2 era to this. Because even the PlayStation 3 versions and PlayStation 4 had the old school movement system. Like it gave you the option if you wanted to do the aim down sight or anything like that, or just stick to what you're used to. So far, I haven't seen any collectibles yet. And I don't know how I feel about not using Gadgetron, like buying from Gadgetron vendors.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Alright, here goes another test. Let's see when I rotate this, do I gotta rotate the stick or just hold one way?
Welcome
Hold
to the
one way.
nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now?
Oh, I don't even want to think about it.
Clank first, Nefarious later.
Hey,
Maybe
buddy.
he's in this bazaar.
Sorry, used to destroying robots. We go that way. Okay, that's the taxi, I believe. So again, I'm wondering if this is going on. Well, I know it's going on after Rift in Time. Lie down. We got hover boots. We do. Still got our jet boots. What's up?
You think those purple ribs are resistance parts? I hope the Emperor will keep us safe.
Down with the resistance! Wrong! Where's the Emperor?
Unless the Emperor created them to strike back. The ribs are a punishment for us citizens providing insufficient loyalty.
Okay. So I'm well, this is what Nefarious wanted.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Oh, Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
I'm not gonna buy no weapons yet. Okay, rare titanium. Still gotta grab this, right?
Honey, Club Nefarious is not the but a resistant spybot. If that is what you are looking for.
Resistant spybot? Sounds useful. Could be worth a look.
This is a spy.
Now that I'm back, I'm starting Operation.
I don't know why Ratchet didn't keep on running.
Get to role play as if I just became Emperor for the first time.
I gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Budget for my personal use.
Yeah, we're not gonna go that way. We're good. So I'm guessing that's the way the club continues.
Enormous explosion earlier. It was just me. Launching the fireworks. Celebrate me. Oh, you're welcome. Also, please ignore the purple rings floating in the sky. They're boring and
That sounds like a club, all right.
Yeah, let's bump him. Sorry, I like to explore, get my money up, on my bolts if you would.
100% of the proceeds from your purchase today go directly to the Supreme Excellency.
I'm on my way, Clank. I just need to find this Phantom guy first.
Oh. Am I still looking for the Phantom guy?
Is that leading somewhere? Now I know what happened to the parade floats.
Okay, got myself a trophy.
Looks like I got a bounce. Miss you, buddy.
We must go on back. The not inflated one.
Not inflated. There's a inflated Ratchet.
Dang, that gun's hard.
There we go.
All right. And I think that covers everything here. Nice.
Oh, okay. That's how we're getting. So that's how we're getting armor now. This is taking the size matter approach. I don't know what is up with me hitting vents lately.
Perpetrators will be sent to Zordu prison for immediate rehabilitation.
That name sounds familiar. I think that's from TOD.
Club Nefarious. Club Nefarious. Where's Club Nefarious?
Alright, let's go to Club Nefarious real fast.
The Emperor wants you to know that he sees you. Always. Also,
Probably need to
attempts
wear the helmet.
sensors will result in immediate detention.
Armor. Okay. All this armor isn't what I like. No way. Is this? It is. Ah, old school armor. Okay, that's cool. Let's go! Deadlock armor? Yeah! But I lost my tail. Rugged War Enthusiast compatible with Lop, yeah. Because the pants is shoved right up his... Oh man, I remember that. What's this? It's clean. It's like his old school armor. I don't know if I remember what Ratchet Clank that's from, to be honest. This looks like Skid Remarks. Yeah, it looks like Skid Remark stuff. Man, this is just a no-go. Going Commando! Let's go! Going Commando! Ew! That's what the company was, Megacorp. It was Megacorp, and it went to Gadgetron. I think it was Gadgetron. I believe it was Gadgetron. Oh, that's fire. I'm guessing this is just like his old school stuff. Nice to have a Clank outfit. And this is just from the Ratchet and Clank, Cracking Time, and so on and so forth. And this is a no-go. But we're good. We're not going to be rocking this armor. I'm going to keep going. Armor we're going to be rocking will actually, yeah, no. We're going to keep it going.
Do not fear that sensation of cold scrutiny washing over your body. It is only our Emperor's unyielding love for you.
Remember, drinks are half price when you're going.
Alright, they just let us in. Gotta check in the back of the club. Can I walk kick? I don't think I can because of the... Yeah, no. Alright. Dang, it is... My controller's like vibrating like crazy from the music. Alright, in we go.
What a beautiful day to serve my Emperor.
Come on, Phantom, where are you?
He doesn't bob his hand if he stays still. Yeah. Where's the DJ at? Bar.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be, Fluffy.
You say Fluffy?
Is there a Phantom around here?
Don't just say that loud.
Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
Alright, this is lounging area. I don't see no DJ. Yeah, I don't see no... Where's the DJ booth? Dang!
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid?
Kid?
Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too.
He went with Phantom, not
That
Shadow
had to be
Dude.
Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom.
My code name
Phantom,
Shadow Dude.
Wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names. You've got to be smarter than
Please
that
stop
if you want to
shooting
join the
back.
resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Your resistance is unwelcome.
Code name Shadow Dude.
Let Phantom get too far ahead.
Yeah. Relax. We'll catch up to Skid. My bad. Phantom Dude. That isn't. Come on. All right. You gotta be. Okay, so we got gold bolts in this game. Good to know. What's up, Shadow Dude? Let's get that shoddy out. Alright, shoddy. Could I? Kobe!
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom.
Are these purple panties normal?
I need to pay attention to how the weapons feel. Alright, hold on now. Second. Yeet. And haha, easy.
I'll take it.
And when I say how it feels, back in the day, it was like boom, boom. So I gotta pay attention. And let's do the wall
Up here,
kick.
new guy. Come on.
Hey, he's waiting up. Cool. Aw, can't break the sign. Oh, wrong way. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Will you please stop running? Is
Hey.
this some kind of test? It is, isn't it?
Making sure I'm not missing nothing.
Hey, wait.
I know people gonna ask why I didn't pick the hardest difficulty for Ratchet and Clank. If I'm a Ratchet and Clank like veteran.
There he is! The football from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
You'll regret that another.
What's up? Grant what? Grant what? Ah! What's up? What's up? What's up?
Decapitation only stops organic.
Y'all stop me in the middle of my. It's because health pools. I'm not gonna lie. Back in the day, if you picked like the hardest
Where'd
difficulty,
you go?
well, Deadlock. That was the first game that actually did that. It was just bullet sponge central, and it just wasn't fun. And I don't like games like that that takes all my ammo for one enemy. And I don't know if it was gonna do that here or not. And it looked like they were with their health full going out. Damage, I'm cool with. But if I'm shooting at you and I gotta go back to the ammo up and keep shooting, man.
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemies can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist.
Interesting.
Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Waha!
There better be a way that I can just do it twice.
Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further?
Oh, this is gonna be
Jump and Phantom Dash.
Make sure I don't need the Phantom Dash on me.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Yeah, this had to be from TOD, Cracking Time, Ratchet. And then I think they still mentioned... Yeah, they did! They still mentioned from the PlayStation 2 days.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Oh, Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop?
We'll
I'm
park
coming,
far away.
Clank. Just hang on.
Patrolling for rebels is one of my favorite activities, second only to crushing them.
So I can use the dash close and use the close range weapon if I need to. I think I'm gonna fall in love with that dash. Okay, cool. So I am gonna go this way. For that though.
I love our magnificent ruler.
Alright, so we got multiple ways of doing things, cause I could have just parkoured my way over here and just jumped up. Alright.
Just what I needed today.
The level up just isn't the same. Can I go rooftop to rooftop? Looking that way! Okay, I'm not seeing those. They want it. I gotta see. Yep, thought so. I knew it! I had to try it. could have just whoop, whoop,
Hold on, honey.
whoop.
Are you headed to the roof? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
All right, let's upgrade our.
Take your time, sweetie.
Okay, so raritanium's the same. I don't want. I don't want to. Oh, I hate tutorials.
Oh, you are getting it.
Yeah. I know. Can I upgrade what I want to upgrade? Personal upgrade connect. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent?
See, why are you forcing me to do something I don't want to do? Like, come on. Hits to the head do bonus damage. Nice. Increase ammo pickup from crates. We're doing. You know what? Spare titanium on one of your own weapons. Yeah, I would like to, but you're not letting me. Oh, you gotta
Always
do
worth
that
the
first.
cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape. I knew teaching you this would be easy peasy.
So you gotta. Oh, interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. Not gonna lie. Increase max ammo, yes. More accurate. Yup. Okay,
Looks
y'all.
like
My
you've
game
got some open
crashed,
sales and the
so we're back
raritanium
at
to
it,
match.
and I just upgraded enough so I can get more ammo pickups from the crate, and upgraded the fire rate. So next, I do want to touch up on this. Fly through air much faster. Area effect. Let's do this. Alright.
Ooh-wee! That one is so hot right now.
No way. No way. Why?
The only weapon who has destroyed Little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party, Mr. Fun Guy. Just throw him out and he will strike your enemies so hard they will have to deal with his antics. Which is the perfect time for you to join in on the fun.
We're not getting that. Let's check this out.
Legends tell of a weapon that contains energy so powerful, a beam of it will obliterate enemies with the mere press of a button. And it is called the Negatron Collider. Obliterate your enemies in a row, or sweep your collider through the crowd. The energy to blast away evil is in your hands.
I like it. We're getting that. Now, the reason why I don't want Mr. Fun Guy.
I do declare.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
Did you try the drinks? You can get them all.
Alright, so like I was saying before, I don't want that yet because you don't really use those items unless you're struggling. Well, later on in the game, I'm gonna say. What's up,
So
man?
you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Oh, we are going to wreck them.
Looks easy enough.
Did I turn the
lights off before I do so enjoy a snow.
Let's see what we can see.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. Resistance is going to make this city.
It was worth it.
Unless you resist, the bigger your case will be.
Oh, I love it. Woo. Wait, do I have? I do. Like y'all like sniping? I like sniping too.
Watch that glider, friend!
Oh, I love it.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, where'd you learn how to buff? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
Let's get all our money. Yeah, I didn't think so. I had to test it.
Did Phantom think his bolt crank will help me get back to the bazaar?
Oh my gosh. Oh, Ratchet, let's loot up first. Man. That move is nice. You could just boop, boop. Oh, I can't wait. I just know the next playthrough I do of this, when I do the next playthrough, I am going to play on the hardest difficulty because I'm pretty sure my weapons will be maxed. Well, maxed out in the first playthrough, if they still do that.
That'll work.
Nothing else? Sorry, trying to get all the bolts I can get.
Looks like, yeah, this grind rail should lead back to the bazaar.
Okay, had to double check. That just looks like something you can walk on, but onward! Let's go!
All right, All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso.
Yeah.
Alright, buddy, just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Alright, I do want to head, well, first through here and then go up real fast. I'm pretty sure before I was talking about how I'm not a fan of them using the same villain constantly. Like Nefarious was cool in 3, it was cool and back in time I think he came back. I think it was back in time when he came
Now,
back.
where's that statue again?
We'll get to that in a second. So you could just wall, jump on any wall like that. Wall on any wall.
Have you thanked your emperor today? If not,
Thought so. You could just pause her like crazy. I can't wait to see the platforming stuff. I know they're gonna go crazy. Let's get it. No, like I was saying before, I don't know how I feel about Nefarious being the villain all the time. Like lately, he's just been the villain, constantly the villain. Because I know his goal. I've been knowing his goal since Up Your Arsenal. He wants the world to be just robots only. And where is my boy Lawrence? That also knocks a point down that Nefarious is bad. Lawrence! So. Wait, is it this way? I hope it's not this way. Give me a second. It's not that way. Okay. Oh, we were here before. Yep, we got that. Alright. Gotta make sure. Get some more rare titanium.
For immediate rehabilitation.
Alright, I think I explored everything I can. There's nothing up here.
Collects purchasing data on all his subjects. Are you sure your card is full?
Oh, I know where the statue is.
I have been saving my vacation up. Their evasion is a criminal offense.
What's up?
Hand over the pistol, please.
No, I don't think I will. I don't think I would.
Caution! A resistance spy bot has been sighted on the loading platform of the factory. Please do not approach until our cleaning squads have located and eradicated this threat to the Empire.
Eradicated? I better head to the loading platform fast.
All right. Huh. Huh. No.
Hey, Ratchet, we're in here. We got 1 million Emperor Nefarious commemorative statuettes out tonight, plus that missing raritanium shipment to find. Tuesdays, am I right?
Absolutely.
All right. This looks like a lot of platforming, and I'm liking it. Yeah, exactly. Mind your business. Are you serious?
Better keep moving.
Snitch. Ending up here real fast. There it is. Haha. Ah. I think I see a way. If there's a way that I can get on top of that box. No, not. Okay. Okay. I can do that too. This dash is nasty! I love it! Oh, best addition they added to the new Ratchet and Clank games. Okay, did that. Oh, it's gonna parkour our way back. Oh man, it just feels good.
Unauthorized squishy detected.
Yeah, my enforcer says otherwise. What's up?
This spy bot must have Omega level secrets inside of it or something if everyone's going after it. The loading platform must be just ahead.
Mandatory 23-hour shift policy.
Okay.
Production
How we
is
gonna
up
do this?
200%.
At it. At it. Oh. It just feels so clean! I think I can run wall run with that.
Another agitated?
Oh, you really want something?
Emperor Nefarious appreciates all your hard work. It is the least you can do.
Gotta make sure I'm not missing no other kind of secrets. Okay, level 2, level 1. And we'll do shotgun in this. But yeah, that rifle feels strong. Oh! Shotgun it is, looks like. Or not. I see you over there. Strongest shot. I don't know why I keep doing that. Strongest sniper rifle in the game. Ooh, rare tank. Eat it. Them adding a sprint button is nice. Headshot. We're sniping. You want some? Oh, that's embarrassing. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I was trying to like dash to the left.
That spybot's mine.
I was actually trying to hit the. I was hitting the wrong button. So at first I was trying to like do this and dash over. For some reason I was thinking I was holding down the shoot button with circle. And dash was hard to. I don't know what just happened. Alright.
Well, look at that.
You found a resistant spy box. Hooray! You can trade intel on different planets and plan for a secret weapon if you collect enough of them.
Got it. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna stand on not buying the fungi. Because like I said before, it's pretty much the Mr. Zarkon. Now, if you aren't that good at gaming, have someone else shoot for you, yada yada yada. It's not like back in the day where you would have secret agents or a little mouse that would just shred enemies apart. We'll get it later though. Trust, because I like to get all the weapons I can get. For now,
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is against the law.
Where did you
bring it.
even come from?
You will regret that.
Oh, that was nice. Yo!
Wow.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
I jumped on that.
Not again.
Oh, come on! It's cheated!
At least it was a round trip. Come on.
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
That was a nice little boss fight. Ah, that was clean. So I'm gonna be utilizing this a lot.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Minigame? Hacking minigame?
Huh. Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set.
Okay. This is new. I don't know how I feel about it at the moment, but give it some time.
Virus is here? I don't have the training for this. Electro guns, please don't kill me now. The infection is starting to clear. Good. I guess I can try to take out the rest now.
This is actually
Huh.
adorable.
What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that?
I destroy capsules to get health. Where's the last one? Oh, I thought I could go up and around.
That takes care of the nest. I did it! Oh, man! I really... Wow! Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
That's cute. Little cool hack companion.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go. Huh?
Warbox, 5 planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. No!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Huh? Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha
Bring me that lumber!
So, Then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! We under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out!
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
All right.
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.